Over the next few minutes, we will show you step by step how to program the X-meter on the smart receiver and put it into operation. If you have an X-meter set, the X-meter is already programmed to the receiver and you don't need to do anything. If you want to expand the set with additional X-meters or receivers, take a look at the other tutorials. Now we will begin setting up our two devices. First, we will set the receiver to pairing mode. To do this, press the program button 4 times in quick succession and the connected light will flash several times. The learning mode is now active for 180 seconds. Now we want to teach the X-meter to the receiver. Please note that the distance between the two devices must not exceed 10 centimeters. If you have not used the X-meter today, press the button once to take it out of sleep mode. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Now press the button on the X-meter 4 times in quick succession and then hold it down until the small indicator LED starts to flash rapidly. After a few seconds, the connected light will flash several times to confirm the connection. If you want to reset the devices, for example to perform a new installation or delete all connections beforehand, proceed as follows. Press a button on the X-meter 6 times briefly and then hold it down for approximately 4 seconds. The indicator LED flashes 3 times to confirm that all connections have been deleted. We test whether we can still switch the light. On the receiver, press the program button 5 times in quick succession. The connected light will flash several times. We have now successfully reset both devices. They can now be used for new installations. We will show you how to set up larger systems with the X-meter in further tutorials.